We are chilling on Sunday, my friend. Enjoy the chill. You know. We're chilling, man. We're gonna gym, but you know the way we start this gym, huh? We start gradually taking it easy, gradually moving into this gym. Yeah, what's up? How is everybody doing? How is your own Sunday? How is Sunday going over there, man? You know? Yes, it's Sunday now in Japan. No, oh my God. What the hell? My coffee is finished, man. My coffee is finished, man. So crazy. Good morning, everybody, my friend. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, we're gonna gym. We're chilling. You know, first of all, we worship the day, man. When I wake up, man, I just, on Sunday like this, I first of all, praise the day. Praise the day. This is how I enjoy my own Sunday. You know, praising the day first before I do anything. It's not like we just wake up and start to lift dumbbell. You can see the way I always start my own gym, my friend. It's like slowly and little by little. You see, I've stretched my legs. You know. We didn't just wake up and just start to lift dumbbell. Because when you just wake up, you start lifting dumbbell. Suddenly, that makes someone look like a Dracula, you know. We are not Dracula, my friend. It's a process. We go into the process. So Japan, the cold is coming gradually. What's going on? What's going on? The cold is coming gradually. Some beds around my house in the summer, they are always shouting. Those beds now, they are going little by little. Even the cricket, the one they call semi or what they call it, that one always shouting in the summer. That one, it's vanished. Ooh, man. When those sounds are going, I feel like maybe it's time to buy ticket and just buy my ticket and be preparing to move when the last bed is gone.